Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I'll show you how you can put the device into recovery mode. To get started, you want to hold your power button and then select power off. Confirm it, and when the device turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. Now when you see the WIKO logo, let go of your power button but keep holding volume up. And this will take us into recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down. Now I do realize I set them opposite to what I was pressing, but anyway, so that's how we navigate, and you press power button to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options in here, we have reboot system now, which is a way of leaving this mode and going back to your Android. We have reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, backup your data, which is an interesting option in here, restore user data, so we can backup and restore from here, check the integrity of your root, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So we have quite a decent amount of options in here, more than modern day phones actually. But anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, so I'm just gonna confirm it, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.